Bolovinaka everyone, my name is Sachiko and I'm the director of Vo Dance Company in the Fiji Islands. Vo is a dance company that does both traditional and contemporary dance in Fiji. We started to provide fulfilling and sustainable career paths for Fijian artists, and to prove it could be done, we support some amazing artists to make great work that's toured all over the world, and we really believe that dance can be a vehicle for healing and bringing the world together, especially in these really difficult times when people are feeling divided or discouraged. Like, dance can unite us going forward as a world, and that depends on each other.
Bolovinaka, I am Evangeline Kumar. I'm 21 years of age. I'm a full-time dancer at Vo Dance Company. I just hope through my dance, the message helps them heal and inspires younger artists to do what they actually love, which is
Bula. My name is Navi. I'm a dancer with Vo Dance Fiji. I'm 24 years of age and I've been dancing with the company for 8 years now. I think with the work we do it for, it has always been more than just entertaining. I think there came a point within the journey of the company that we realized we wanted to do something more than what we were doing. We want to be able to move globally and to take the work we do and let it permeate into a more global scene, to traverse different cultural barriers. We wanted to traverse all kinds of barriers, all kinds of dividers that exist in such a divided world that we live in today, and bring people together. So that had to go beyond the local scene. We wanted to go global with that, and we've been so fortunate to be able to go on a few international tours in the past and do that at a very small level. Unfortunately, with the current pandemic, a lot of the future plans that we had to take that to a very much bigger level have been put on hold. Lots of things have been put on hold. A lot of the dreams, a lot of the aspirations of the individual dancers have been put on hold. A lot of the plans we had immediately for this year and long term for the upcoming years have been put on hold. And it's just a very uncertain time that we're in, and we are unsure about how we're going to go forward from here, whether or not we should still hold on to that hope. And it's a very scary place to be in a place of uncertainty.
Because of the COVID-19 international pandemic, we've had 100% cancellation. We now have zero income. We've had to close our theatre. We've had to close the school down, and we've also had to cancel all of our international tours for 2020. So far, we've taken measures to try and make sure that our dancers are looked after first and foremost. Some of them have had to move out of their houses because of rents. Some of them have moved in with me or moved in with other friends or family. Myself, we've taken 100% pay cut. We're not getting paid. We're just making sure that the dancers are getting paid at least half their salary, just so that they can at least put food on the table. And they've taken their annual leave so far to enable to do that. Yeah. But going forward, we're just really worried about how we're going to support these amazing Fijian brilliant artists to be able to survive, so that they can continue to share love of dance with everyone around them. Being a small independent dance company from Fiji that is largely dependent on the tourism industry, and as you know, tourism globally has just grinded to a halt, and in Fiji especially it's just been brought to its knees. So us as a small dance company, the economic repercussions of that have been particularly harsh. The people that we support, that have supported us, are their lives are really hanging in the balance. And not only them, but also the families that they support through their work as dancers.
During this pandemic, I had to leave my house and move out, and I'm staying in a studio because my landlord didn't want to reduce the rent, and I couldn't afford the rent, so I had to move out. But I'm really thankful that I'm still surviving with how much Vo is giving me.
At this point, I think the company is doing as much as it can to continue employing everyone and to continue giving these young people a space to nurture their ability to inspire happiness and to be agents for change. But that can only go on for so long in this current situation, the current global pandemic. And beyond a certain time, we are unsure of how much longer the company can continue to do that.
Any assistance will be truly appreciated from us, especially me, because it'll help me continue in doing what I love, which is dancing. And it'll help me continue spread the love to you guys. Thank you.
Thank you for helping us at this really difficult time, and we want to repay your generosity by giving everyone who donates a free ticket to come watch our show, Fiji Untold. I know that you can't come now because there's no planes, but when the planes start up, get in touch with us and we'll give you that free ticket, and we'd love to share our gratitude in person with you on our Fiji Untold show.
This is where the initiative for this outreach and this plea comes from. We hope that any assistance that can come out of this, anyone who can feel like they identify with the mission that we are embarking on as a company here in Fiji, if anyone's able to provide assistance in any way, it would be so appreciative, because it would mean that in whatever small way, we can just take another step further into our plans, and we can hopefully live another day to inspire happiness again and to carry on doing the work we've set out to do, that we've dedicated our lives to doing, to continue changing the lives of young people, to continue making people confident, and to continue making audiences smile, audiences from across the world, audiences from different cultures, speaking different languages. We want to be able to continue bringing the world together. So whatever help, in whatever assistance, in whatever way or form that can come from this would be very much appreciated, and I think everyone can be rest assured that it'll go a long way in coming back to the world in the work that we do as well. Naka.